So have you ever wanted to learn sign language? If you have, you'll be pleased to know we have just launched our new sign language keyboard cover for the 2020 MacBook Pros. This is an ASL keyboard cover, and it's really just for fun, but it will help you learn more about sign language. So in this video, I'm going to put this on the MacBook Pro and just show you how it works and what it looks like. So when you get your new sign language cover, all you need to do is take it out of the packaging and put it straight onto your keyboard. And as you can see, it's molded absolutely perfectly to the new 2020 Magic keyboards. And you can add or remove these covers as much as you like. And as you can see, each key contains your standard typing letter, so you can use it for usual word processing and internet browsing, but it also contains the ASL sign language icon, so you can learn a little bit more about sign language. And you know what, even if you don't want to learn sign language, it looks pretty damn cool on your keyboard. So if you want to grab your own sign language keyboard cover, check out the link in the description below. And if you've got any questions at all, please leave them below, because I promise we do get back to every single one.